snack house. How can I help you?
Wow! Ice cream! I want to get some too!
Here's your ice cream.
Yay! It's so yummy! Oh, wow! One chocolate cake, please.
Okay, please.
Oh, what's going on? Huh?
Chocolate. Chocolate cake is ready.
Oh no! The robot turned me into a cake!
Blueberry.
We're not blueberries! Let me out!
Blueberry ice cream is ready.
Oh, that's so terrible. Ouch.
The juice cup needs to be filled with juice. Yummy juice is ready.
Please help! What's going on?
A super donut. Miss King Rat Snake, what made you become a donut?
Sheriff Labrador, something's wrong with the robot at the snack house.
Huh? Let's go have a look.
Help us, please! Oh no, they all became food.
Hot dog. Stop chasing me!
Toby, draw the robot's attention. Tokyo, let's save others.
Hey, robot, look here! Come on, turn me into a hot dog. Hot dog. It's coming. Come on. Oh, run!
Help! We're safe now.
Oh no, it's so fast. Sheriff Labrador. I can't go on.
I have an idea. Let's run circles around the robot.
Strawberry, mango, avocado, fruitcake. Finally, it stopped.
What's wrong with the food robot?
Tokyo, give it a check.
Its circuits are broken. No wonder it went out of control.
Let's go check the shop.
The robot's charging socket is burnt.
Oh no, something's wrong over there.
The smoke's coming out of my house.
Say Get down!
Oh my! What's going on?
Look! The dino robot's hand got stuck in the socket.
That's what made the food robot and other sockets broken. We need to turn off the power. Over there.
Leave it to me. Hey!
Trash detected.
Go away! I'm not trash!
Watch your back!
Hey! Power off.
That was so scary.
Little Bear, you should stay away from sockets, okay?
I got it.
Sheriff Labrador Safety Talk.
Kids, sockets are very dangerous, and you should never touch them. If you do, you could get seriously hurt by electric shock. So if you need to use electricity, ask an adult for help. Please remember that.